Hi, I'm Jack, Principal Designer of Neu Konceptz. Today I'll be showing you a 2-bedroom condominium resale unit of about 96 square meters, designed for a young couple in District 10, Wilby Road. Entering the home, one will be greeted by a curved wall at the entrance that spans 8.2 meters in width from the entrance to the living area, cladded in black teak wood. I love how the wall is divided into different segments consisting of black mirrors and wood, layering each other, creating a sense of balance. To blend the curved wall in the unit, we drew inspiration from the refined curve of the storage compartment commonly seen in an airplane. A soft accent lighting is used to accentuate the sleek curved detail while brightening up its proximity. To tie in the TV console and the wall cladding, a rose gold steel inlay is built from the top of the ceiling down to the TV console in a single piece. The console doors are designed in such a way, using vertical wooden strips to complement the rhythm of the wall layering. We selected a cream-colored L-shaped sofa to match the marble flooring with a pebble-shaped white marble top coffee table that does not take up too much space. We specially selected a black marble top table with black steel legs. The slim profile of the table legs makes the table look visually less dominating within the space. This recessed detail of the table allows the marble top to have a floating effect. Here's a pantry right beside the dining area to provide extra space for dining preparations, designed to store the client's water dispenser and pantry supplies. This unit keeps the necessary fuel to keep conversations going at arm's reach. The drawers, as you can see, are also treated with the same rose gold plating inlay as the wall cladding. To retain the consistency of materials, the black teak wood is replicated here to give a more coherent look to the whole living space. Beside the pantry is a floor-to-ceiling built-in cabinet, providing plenty of storage for shoes and other essentials. The fabric effect panel serves to soften up the overall aesthetics of the built-in cabinets. As we enter the kitchen, your eyes will be attracted to the herringbone flooring with strips of royal blue parallel lines on the cabinet. By adding a pop of color to the space, the blue stands out in the monochromatic scheme. To balance the dark hues used in the kitchen, the linear aspects here make the kitchen space look visually longer and spacious. For the wall, we specially chose black subway tiles with marble grains laid in a brick bond layout. The use of black gives the kitchen a sensuous and alluring charm. Now, talking about details, the doors are specially designed with black aluminium framing, which gives the white cabinet doors an added personality. So we have come to the last room of our house tour. The master bedroom is designed slightly different from the other areas of the home, with a boutique hotel approach. In the master bedroom, we have a king-size bed with a customized floor-to-ceiling headboard in a dark brown upholstered cushion finish. A dark mulberry purple wallpaper was handpicked to give a sense of elegance, and the color itself provides a gentle backdrop for the bedroom. Besides that, it also harmonizes the overall use of the dark color palette used in the master bedroom. For a more luxurious touch, we selected a walnut shade finish with brass knobs detailing, paired with stone elements for the vanity and console table. Along with this, a floor-to-ceiling floral wallpaper pattern is customized, from the selection of images to the texture of the canvas. To project a wider expression of space in a relatively small area, using mirrors as a wardrobe panel helps to elongate the walkway, which also doubles up as a full-body mirror. The door handles are fabricated using solid wood, stained to a dark walnut finish, to deliver the perfect finishing touch.